And on top of the show today, we still carry the message of building rights to avoid collapse for Obodo Lagos coming aside. And where will they go this afternoon? You know, will they look levels? Like last week, we be look as they take B for registration online and waiting to take do, how you go take do and waiting you go fit get from doing rights. In as much as they get other bodies the way they don't give approval, where they work for them, talking about laboratories. This afternoon, will they look levels? What if we take carry prevent building collapse? Make we buildings for no the background inside of Obodo Lagos. And LSMTL, they bring the solutions, come with side. On top of the show this afternoon, but let's with me to get one of Bonga builder in the house. If you say I'm saying, you know, say a builder. Build join. Builder Babajide Oyedele, MNIOB. Good afternoon and welcome.
Good afternoon.
Come close to the mic.
Good afternoon, everybody.
All right.
Now, well done.
Yeah, Lagos, they greet you. Okay, so we will start as a form of education. MNIOB, member Nigeria Institute of Builders.
Okay, that one institute where they control all builders for Nigeria as a whole.
Okay.
Now, another thing I say make you study building for university or polytechnic. Now, another thing make the institute can recognize you as a certified builder.
Oh shit.
And person will get license to practice building construction for Nigeria.
Okay, no verse, so make I digress before we enter where would they go. When they say you be builder, if I want build house now you I go first call, or now the architect, or where do you place for the scheme of things?
Okay, for the scheme of things we concern construction or building construction, builder now be the last, because for university so then teach builder the work of civil engineer small, then teach am the work of architect small, then teach am the work of quantity surveyor small, you know, estate managers then teach am, you understand, electrical engineer wey concern building then teach am.
So at what point I go bring you in?
At the last point you
will be before I park enter.
Before they start them at all, before the construction starts, when all the documents where they want to build the building, do the building done ready.
Okay, so welcome, builder Babajide Oyedele, now personnel of the Technical Services Department for Lagos State Materials Testing Laboratory. So make we start this way. So when we look building and technique and every, so make we look, if we build for Lagos now, which building technique we go to say plenty, when we say be like pure water everywhere, but at the end of the day, now still they cause building to collapse.
Okay, the one way you know say where me I see reach, some people don't see pass like that.
True.
But the one way me I they see mostly now where you say water day and we see the land cheap for that side. You understand?
Like you won't give example.
And some places for maybe like that kind first tax side, you understand?
Riverine?
We did Riverine, and some places where we see near canal before, you understand? We see people they run from. You know, and you go come see some they come make and cheap where
but they say at least some film now.
Now waiting now even when they go now where they go now you can't they talk now be that. So you go come they see say they talk to me the Safilam before they start to the build. After they come Safilam, come they put the building on top and before you know the feeling for that place go come go down and so the building come carry it go one side, it go carry leg go the other side.
They dance it
you go come they dance. You understand? So now one technique where you say people don't know be that as water day, so if you look at Bayland Bridge, you go see say the pillar we carry and inside water is still there. No sanfila they take with the water. So before you begin sanfil, it is better sometimes make you don't do your foundation. Make you don't enter the natural ground where God do gone before you can start to the fill. Make you sit down where before you come the fill. Instead where you go come sanfil first.
Build
on top. The thing wey be say God no do, you can't put on there. Down artificial and feeling. You better pass natural one.
That is why we get this program, Materials Testing Matter, so that we will bring that education free of charge to the people them. If God never answer your prayer, or you don't answer, now you never ready finish to begin build, so that you go there educated and sabi when that time reach. So you go build first, come put that space before you begin sand fill, not sand filling, then building on top sand. Nice education. So, but when we come look, what be those things where person need to sabi to fit take note, say, this building, it won't collapse.
Okay, that one there, now so many things. You get the ones where we say go dey show for face. You know, you get the one where you not go show for face. You understand? The one where you go see. Now all those kind one where we say the building, like I talked the other time, you go dey throw head go one side, you go dey carry leg go the other side, and you go come dey see some kind cracks where we say the crack English people they say it did diagonal. It did lateral. Down way because they come from up like this. You go they go down. If you they see am for wall for this side, you go they see am for the wall for the other side.
Okay.
All those kind.
But if I don't see I'm inside, I say I'm only outside.
If it be surface crack. But this kind
so of the area say na so in sand they be.
This kind one where they talk, you know, go they see am for one place at all. You go they see am for almost everywhere.
Up and down.
Everywhere you go they see am. You go down the see like that. You go come they be like say the floor or I mean at the deck you get belly for one place, you get hunchback for another place. Now that kind of
or even if water don't they drop from maybe the toilet side of decking, if you follow.
That one a plumbing problem. That one fit not say make house collapse.
Okay.
You understand? But majorly waiting the cause now if you throw head go one side, carry leg go one side. Abi if that crack come plenty, you can't see them like that almost everywhere.
So try whole year, another place they open.
As you even the whole land before 2 weeks, you go down the see say the place where you hold self,
you don't
open again. You understand? So that time you don't know say the building don't sick where.
Okay, so which material they fit cause this collapse of building?
And that one no be material now in the cause am. This one where I talk so. And it gets plenty things where they cause with building collapse.
Like
one now say you dey use material wey not good, wey they never test well, tell you say see this material is good for you to build. Another problem where they cause that building collapse, people say now even the owner of the building na cause am. When you come to call person will be musician. So you can supervise building work.
But not be about musician. Some people go tell you, I don't do this thing before they born you.
Now so it be.
Only say I no go school for them. Now so you know certified.
Now so it be. You know say sometimes God go just dey help person. If you say you don't dey drown for where ground solid well, you understand. And make you be say God just don't dey help am. That kind of thing. But it pass like that. You understand? Person will get belle now, will carry in belle say he won't go do delivery for roadside. You know, say now in problem with that. You understand? So we see people like that where they do like that. But you know, person will get building sometimes majorly now they contribute to waiting they cause this building collapse.
Okay, for some days now, it be like say Lagos State Materials Testing Laboratory, una the vest in terms of una they go all out. Or is it that do press conference today, do this tomorrow, trying to let those who know sabi to sabi more in terms of awareness and campaign. What una they do to fit educate those who won't build to do them right? Apart from all of this one, I don't they do already.
Aside from this one now, we always encourage our staff and our sisters agency we say they outside. If they go outside, we tell them, they still tell people about testing of their materials. So you understand? We still go schools, higher institutions and all that.
Why?
To tell students now, say
builders or every student.
No. Build the way they go through the we they tell them about the importance of this material testing and all that. So no be.
But this kind of level, is it for all states for Nigeria or na Lagos still the lead?
They almost everywhere for Nigeria.
But na Lagos they implement
because we they see more collapse for Lagos. So now waiting they cause that problem with that. If you check now, you go see high rise we dey inside Lagos plenty pass every other state too.
So because one question they enter from Shino and if they ask say about Shino from where be this from Norway, he say help me ask the builder which one they always first day at risk pass, na high rise or na just normal bungalow. We dey get bungalow say e collapse. E dey rare, abi?
E dey rare, but collapse don really mean say make house fall na im be collapse.
Another word dey for collapse.
When wey dey kill person, I mean, you understand? Because people dey think am say na when until when, because you no dey hear of bungalow because you no dey too kill person.
Or like woman, no, you go straight down.
You understand? So even bungalow, a lot of them dey.
It's short now, so.
Maryland here for me dey here. If you enter inside, you go see a lot of them wey don collapse. Wall don fall for one side, another. And I plenty like that now.
Which material dey cause all this thing to happen?
No be only material, and like as I dey talk the other time, I say when you go call someone wey be musician, make you come supervise building for you.
So na
factors plenty. Aside from the materials, you go still look the person wey wan check the design. Wey dey build this house? Say the person get license to build. You understand?
Babajide, any fine day if I go build without coming to una, I just agree say act of God go run am for me. Must I come to now? If I no come, LSMTL?
Lagos state government, our policy or law no allow say make you just go build, because not be say na termite you wan put inside the house. So first thing first, we no want make collapse enter, and we want make all the people wey dey Lagos make dem dey get maximum value for their money wey dem dey spend on top building. So as you dey build, na our sister agency go don dey follow you say you get approval and LASPA. Say before you start to dey build all this kind of thing, you no go good make person dey come for obodo oyibo now make you just see say you dey build the house fall. You no go give us good image. So it's not about you coming to us. We must come to you.
Before we go open the phone lines, I go want make you take my listeners them through the process, you know, from sample collection to reporting results. How it dey take be really?
Okay, person we want make a house good. We want make it be say a money not through way. As in they go last part now, they go down they tell her all the things we necessary we need. Till he go come to our own place for testing self, they go don't tell am. Because if you not go there now, you no go here, they go don't tell you say 5% we get license to build before you even start this building. Engineers will go design the building, they go don't tell you may you find out. The engineer go don't tell you say before you work on top this building, no, I beg sure you don't test the soil. Make I know the kind of design where I want to put on top this soil where you say you want build these 4 floors, I be 2 floors on top. I be even this bungalow self. You understand? So before they will come to put all these things together, last part we don't tell you all these things. So now one of the
the levels them we need to work on.
Yeah, you need to work.
All right then. 0915-387-7127. 0915-387-7127. Now the number if you take call in, if you get any question for my guest this afternoon on top materials testing matter, where Lagos State Materials Testing Laboratory, they carry come your ear every 1:30 p.m. go reach at 2 o'clock Monday afternoon like this for us to talk about our building. No matter who you be, whether you sleep for house or you sleep on that bridge, you are sleeping under a building or in a building. So if they're not doing well, imagine, God forbid, say you wake up one morning, you come here say it don't happen. Like we see these days with POP. That kind of POP, they test that material for POP. I don't say I go ask you now.
Now the problem where I see the talk, it gets some. We will test construction materials basically.
Okay, POP now wait.
We be water. I go reach where POP one day. You understand? POP now if you fall sometimes it go hard before it keep person unless a small baby. Or person go hard before a kill adult.
Okay.
That now why Lagos State government they shout for people say me they get professional to build for them. Person will get license. Person will they feel sue. Not be say person I don't build for 20 years ago. That you go the same for everywhere. Say go find professional, find architect, civil engineer, builders. We get license. Not be say we even graduate from university alone. We get license to practice the build. Now that one will come check whether POP dey okay, abi no dey okay. This one go fit fall, abi no go fit fall.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, I grab what you they talk, and if you send WhatsApp message 0809 9120777. This one from Iremide from VGC. They ask, say, why LSMTL carry this matter for head now? What thing happened before? Where building they fall, and now they can't do all these ones. When they be set LSMTL up?
It's been a while now. I think maybe 2000 and
over almost 2 decades.
Not almost 2 decades. I think between I think it's about 18 years.
18 years.
Yeah.
So before that time, everybody just debuted as they like.
You see, before that time, if you see, you go see say things still dey one kind okay. You understand?
Before everybody turn to builder.
Before anybody turn to builder. In fact, for that time, before you see house, during those times, you go to see house where you say you don't even get pillar in the stand. Because money day, cement not too cost that time. You understand? People, they see money.
They choke,
but now when you don't they choke, they see people where you say that they try cut corner. They do 1 or 2
so
things.
So maybe tell people them, they can't test, they can't materials them well now, they test, and how it take good for safety matter?
Like sand now, water.
Okay, they talked that one 2 weeks ago, and everybody we will get responses. How they could test water because
plenty people no say water dey important for inside concrete.
Sand, water, and anything else.
Granite, cement, iron. Now this ones now be the basic things where we say they need to test for inside building.
Okay, so what do they use do this testing? And must I carry and come on our office or on I get agents up and down?
They work vice versa. Sometimes so if our officers they parade, they go and you don't pay for the test, they go pick the samples, bring and come the laboratory. Sometimes person will want build.
If that material no come up and they don't deliver them from my site already, what will happen?
The cocoa now we say as we still they talk, that's why we dey come program like this. Say before you begin build, you suppose get professional wey go dey site, wey go dey enlighten you, dey advise you on say make you do test on top material before you start to dey use am.
Okay.
So people dey do fake material. You never see fake coke before.
So everything will be even fake human being.
As it be now, everything don't dey fake. That's why we dey advise say make people employ professional and make those professional they advise them say make they test those material before they start to dey use them. So it better make you return the sand if they no good than say you go come use them. House we suppose use 60 years because of sand you can't dey use 5 years, you can't dey crack.
Okay, so builder Babajide Oyedele, run us through 1 or 2 samples like that. Maybe una one, the person no hear, and how na take go about them, because I know say just like those where they go seal building, like other government agencies, people go always tackle them. Wait to consign Agbero with overload. So if una go play somewhere now, they never even know about LSMTL. Well, how na they take run them? You go cause you una get test or you don't say I'm from LSMTL. Do you know about this? Then you go come tell me to stop work or how?
No, the first thing we go do if we reach there, we say we go ask them questions. Like
the person in charge?
The person in charge. Say who they in charge of this building? As it be say the law say make person will be professional they handle building
so
construction.
The person go there on site all time?
If you know they on site, maybe he come out, then go mention the person name,
number.
go collect the person number.
Okay.
Can't give them letter say see waiting you supposed to do, see waiting. The one way you don't do, I beg, bring and come our office, make we see them, so that we go fit advise you on the next step where you go take before you continue the building. So that kind letter they go don't give them. So after that time, they go, if you not come, if you not respond, they go still go there again, still go check whether in the work you don't stop the work. Maybe still they plan as you to come see us for our office or not. But if they still say the work continue, because we don't want make building come collapse now. If we say the work they continue, we will stop the work. So now so we take drum. And we dey work in line with our sister agency will be LABSCA to do all those kind of waka.
Okay, so if the person insists, he comes to the build, una go close them.
Of course.
Now they put red marker on top, stop building, or which one they do? How do they take close now? To just put tape?
We will put tape, invite LABSCA to come too. They go join body, go there, go check all these things together. So not be only material testing.
So but the problem with this builder, we dey always complain about it, just like when you say fake everything day. But what you they do with the Standard Organization of Nigeria, all those joint bodies them to make sure say na only quality go the day, because if quality na only quality they enter, maybe the agency for no really kuku day or make the work no plenty. What they do to collaborate with them?
So this the Standard Organization of Nigeria, they try to not be small. See me, before I even join state government, I don't work with some people. Where you supposed to use 10 bags of cement, they go they force you may use 1 bag.
One.
I'm telling you. So don't be say they know they try. Like I tell you now, people will want sabotage this government. We don't want to make things do okay. They don't plenty where pass before. You be like, say they will just come Nigeria now. I don't even understand you. So that's why they see things like this they happen. Before now, fear of God day. You go see that they do cement well. Not be say another person go go carry and go rebag am. If you check the weight of your cement where they buy self, sometimes if you check out where you go see the weight don't reduce because they don't come out inside, go rebag am again before they come.
Even bags of rice too.
So not be say Standard Organization of Nigeria, I know they try. We are just a regulatory body where they still go around. They check maybe some kind of bad people where they don't
enter their mind. So what will be the way out to come on our side to come do the needful?
That's the way out. That's the only way
okay,
out.
this message, a maker from Ogba, they say, help me ask them. All this one where they talk, it good and it makes sense. But for this time when things hard, how much to fit take do all this kind of thing?
Funny enough, the money don't come too plenty like that too. All this money now chinkily money we person they take feed buy granite and now waiting, you know more expensive at all. Lagos State government don't make everything easy for people. You understand? Not be say something will go cut your leg, or be cut your head. So now make them come our office for Ojodubega. Then go see, no be money way plenty.
If I they build for Badagry, I will come Ojodubega.
We get outlets everywhere. We see they go still announce for here. We the outlet for everywhere. We they attend to different types of locality. Even government still don't they try make it visit now every local government. These are our offices good day, so that when people go no go they find it hard to come to locate us.
Okay, so as we come out, builder, I go want make you walk our people through the process. At the first time builder, you know, so once you don't build your first house, you go use and learn mistake, or where they build the next one, where maybe somebody don't buy and all that. So at the first time builder, I won't come LSMTL.
You mean as a first time building owner?
Yeah, exactly. I know this builder now not be professional. From a building house owner. So what will be the process? Run us through the process.
Okay, the first thing now to go Lagos State Planning Authority, go tell them, say, see, I want build. From there now, they go come tell you all the things where you could need before you start this building. Now then we can send you go building control agency with or if you don't meet all their requirements.
Okay.
So Lagos State Building Control Agency now go come give you authorization, say okay, go start the work. And as they do this work, they call us from time to time. Make we they check them, say everything we will say may you do now they do. You they see material testing doctors well. Not be say you just they do your own. Say you don't test your materials well. Say now the iron we put inside the drawing where you submit for last part now they use. Say now the kind block where you say you go use now they, all these things now waiting they till you go finish the building. Now so all these 3 government agencies go they follow you bumper to bumper.
Like Tata.
Till you fund till you finish.
Okay. Alright, so your advice to people them house owners and those where they hungry to come for this one. What will be your advice in 30 seconds?
Well, my advice, no plenty. Waiting me, I go advise people. Be say, you see, as the country don't hard like this, no come they think I'm saying to come material testing, come pay chinkily money for test. Now be the problem. Come first. You understand? Then again, see how much you go take spend. You don't spend and finish now. The thing can't come down. Who can't they lose? At times, if you come down like that, government self go seize the land.
But when I do the right thing, how many years the building go fit stand for?
It depends on how your money reach. You don't say the money a car we then do for Ghana. You know go fit compare with the car we then do for Germany.
More they go.
Everything just time. So but at least minimum you should take about 65 years.
Wow.
Standing. Outstanding.
All right, then. I be don't follow our guest this afternoon relate on top materials testing matter where Lagos State Materials Testing Laboratory the sponsor and builder Babajide Oyedele MNIOB now personnel for Technical Services Department with LSMTL. If you want to follow them relate on top Instagram LASG_materials testing, for X at LSMTL_LAG. If na Facebook, LSMTL Ojodu Beja Lagos. For TikTok, LSMTL.ojodu.beja. YouTube, Lagos State Materials Testing L. You go see every information for there. And if na say you want call them, the number never change. 0800 LSMTL. That na 080 0005 7685. You feel even WhatsApp them too on top that same number. They'll go happy to follow you relate. I must say big ups to Saleh Badejo Abimbola, will be Director of Public Affairs for Logistics. Until next week, 1:30 on the GOT by God's grace, we'll come talk about materials testing and every big shout out to all those who don't follow me work this afternoon at MCI's Water everywhere you go. Catch you tomorrow. Good afternoon.